Yeah, it's just unreal.
Yeah.
You should have seen it when he got here. He just did a loop and he landed. And there's the guys doing the slip form stuff over there. They just got dusted, man. They're all running for cover. The guy like came in right over top of them. Yeah. He just dusted him right out. It's hilarious. Yeah, I love this stuff, dude.
I wonder where he's from.
Yeah, I don't know. When they said they were bringing the helicopter in, I kind of thought they would be Canadian Aircream, like one of the Sikorsky helicopters, but yeah, I don't know what outfit this is.
He looks older, eh?
It does when you look at it, but when it was on the ground, you walk up to it, it's freaking bright and shiny. Like it looks like it just came off the assembly line, That's what I thought too. When I seen it flying up, I thought for sure that it was, you know, just some old friggin' piece of junk, but.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. Definitely. I wonder how many videos there's going to be of this on YouTube now.
Well, quite a bit.
I guess those are the HVAC units, eh?
Yeah.
I said, I guess those are the HVAC units.